Meaning of disprove.
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 Disprove. The term disprove means to prove that something is false or incorrect. In other words, it is the process of demonstrating that a claim or hypothesis is invalid. This can be done through experimentation, observation, or logical analysis. By providing evidence that contradicts a statement or theory, one can effectively disprove it. Disproving something can be crucial in fields such as science and mathematics, where accuracy and truthfulness are highly valued. Ultimately, when something is disproven, it is shown to be untrue, and its credibility is diminished.